Hi, my name's Craig Flannery and I'm the Corporate Head of Resources with the responsibility for the strategic aim, Our Future. We want to reduce risk to our firefighters and communities through the use of technology. So this strategic aim will look specifically to identify innovative ways to enhance and improve the delivery of our services as well as our business processes. So what does this mean? Well, during 2020-21, we're going to focus on two key areas. Firstly, and considering the challenges the geography of our service presents us with, we're going to focus on developing an IT infrastructure to help facilitate different ways of working, supporting a more agile and smarter approach, whilst also looking to increase the safety of our staff. Secondly, our people are the most important resource within the organisation, so it's vitally important that we tap into this to release their collective knowledge and understanding if we're going to solve the issues and exploit the opportunities both today and in the future. We need to capture the insights of our people, so we're going to create a think tank forum to explore the concepts and ideas of our staff. By choosing these two improvement and wellbeing objectives, we believe they will help us meet the evolving needs of our communities and staff, whilst making sure that we maximise all opportunities to work both efficiently and effectively. We would like to hear your feedback on our draft strategic aims and improvement and wellbeing objectives. For further information, please visit our website www.morefire.gov.uk.